Let's speedrun how we can use IGCSE math to solve ancient legends and wild architectural mysteries.
You know, our planet's been spinning out there for roughly 4.54 billion years. Crazy long time.
But an ancient myth claims the world literally ends when 64 golden temple discs are moved.
Are we out of time? To find out, we've got to master circle geometry, scaling, and algebraic modeling.
First up, static shapes. See how tangents drawn from a single external point match up perfectly?
Hidden rules are everywhere. Like, an angle at a circle's center is exactly double the circumference angle. And with cyclic quadrilaterals, the exterior angle mirrors the opposite interior one perfectly. It's incredibly precise.
So, what actually happens when these shapes start growing? Let's jump into our next core concept.
Scaling isn't always simple. Expanding a 1D floor plan behaves totally differently than blowing up a 2D area.
Look at these troughs. Scale the length by 4, and the volume explodes by 4 cubed.
Okay, we've seen how shapes scale. Now, let's switch gears from static geometry to dynamic numerical patterns. To track these wild patterns, we use ordered tables, like calculating the exact spacers needed for tiled walls.
You crack the code step by step, observe the table, spot the pattern, and write a rule using variables.
This exact algebra lets architects perfectly calculate border tiles for those stunning Alhambra Palace pools.
These rules literally model our reality. For example, how do we perfectly model wrapping a gift box?
For a cuboid, there's a specific algebraic formula combining its dimensions to find the exact paper area.
Graphing this lets huge manufacturers predict exact material maximums and minimums. It saves so much waste.
Which brings us right back to our ultimate question, that ancient temple and those 64 discs. Using our new skills, we log the minimum moves for smaller stacks to build a predictable table. Even moving one disk every single second, solving for 64 disks takes an absolutely mind-bending amount of time. The math proves it takes way longer than Earth's 4.54 billion years, so we're totally safe. See, math is way more than just finding X. It's literally the foundational blueprint of reality. So I'll leave you with this. What other hidden math patterns are quietly shaping your world right now?